everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. A couple weeks ago, I did a review of two very good upcycling sewing machines. I would recommend those sewing machines to anyone. I purchased both of them with my own money because I wanted to give you guys a very real, very raw, and if I needed to trash one or both of them, I wanted to be able to do that. However, that made me start thinking, like, what other things can I review to give the sewing community, the upcycling community, information before they go and purchase items? You know, because you're reading these reviews, you're looking on maybe Amazon and you're reading these reviews and you don't know, what to think. So with my meager budget here, I decided to buy the cheapest sewing machine on Amazon. And here it is. And this is it. It's the Berlin hand sewing machine. It was $6.90. And it says that it comes with a large spool adapter and cap, one needle threader, and instruction sheet. So you're supposed to be able to do curtains and hem your clothes and stuff like that with this. I've seen these commercials and I have never, in all my years of sewing, I've been sewing since I was a kid, I've never owned one of these, even touched one of these. So I've always had a sewing machine in my house. But never one of these. So I'm gonna test it for you guys. So let's do it. All right, so let's open it up. Oh, it's blue. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. I don't know if I picked a color or not. It has thread in it already. It's just a little bobbin here, and it has a needle. We'll figure out what this is. Looks like some type of spool holder, and then there's a needle threader in there. And it says that it comes with instructions, but there are no instructions in here. Maybe that's the instructions. Holding, supporting the bottom of the machine with 4 fingers of your right hand and then putting your thumb on top of the machine for holding the machine lightly. Huh. Okay, well, I have some fabric here. Maybe the fabric goes in between these 2 layers here. All right, so there's a little thing right here, and I lifted it up with my forefinger and put the fabric in. I'm horrible because I should go watch a video. I'm sure there's videos on it, but I'm just gonna try it, so hopefully it don't take my hand off. This thing not battery powered? It's not electric. You can adjust the bolt for the optimal habitus. What does that word mean? Drawing prolate distaff and thread spindle if you want to change, and big clue after, can you see this? After threading again and readjusting the tight and loose of lisle, you can sewing again. Loose the set screw with a screwdriver and take off the old needle. So you're just supposed to hold it and pull it as you do it. No, it's just putting holes in the fabric. Well, that was a waste of $6.90. Yeah, I don't see what's supposed to be at the bottom. Trash. All right, let me do some playing around with it, see if I can make it work. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you'll never miss another video. And when I hit 100,000 subscribers, I am doing a very special upcycle for one lucky subscriber. So it could be you. So definitely subscribe and share this video so everyone knows all the amazing stuff going on here. This is what's inside of it, and basically this is the top portion. It goes here, and then this is the bottom portion, and it just sits down in there. And this is another, you're supposed to be able to put this on here and put a bigger spool of thread on there. Oh my gosh. Maybe this way. But it won't go on there. So that's useless. Alright, so I am the type of person that I feel like I can make things work even when they don't. And so I took it apart because I wanted to understand how this works. And I'm gonna be honest, for the life of me, I still cannot figure out, even if this worked properly, how it was ever going to make the bottom, make the thread stay underneath. Okay, so there's thread in the needle. Here, let's put some thread in the needle. Oh, and by the way, this broke like 5 minutes after having it. I stuck it in the thing 2 times and it broke. Okay, so the needle comes down and this little thing right here is supposed to catch it. Mine doesn't catch, really. Okay, even when it does catch it, so it's down there. When you go to the next stitch, it lets it go. So I don't understand how this was ever going to work. I decided to do some research. I researched it, and some people were saying maybe the needle, some people's needle wasn't far down enough. But look how far down my needle is going. It's pretty much hitting down here. But I figured, like, okay, I'll lower it and see what happens. This screw will not come out. It's stripped. And it was pretty much stripped from the moment I used it. I don't like taking the L on nothing. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Let's look at it when it has fabric in it. So that catches the thread. You move it to the next spot, you move it over. It didn't release that thread and catch another. Now it has 2 threads, which now is stuck. Okay, so now it let those 2 threads go. Now it has 2 threads again. It released those threads. So, okay, so this is what I'm talking about. It went through, but what's supposed to hold that? Like, I don't get it. What is supposed to hold that? Somebody please tell me. So that's not a stitch. So I'm done with that. All right, so it's been a week since I first started shooting this video. You can see I have on different makeup, different hair. I put on the same shirt, you know, to try to do some continuity, but whatever. So my final thoughts on this product: trash. The listing says that it's electric, and it is obviously not. It's your arm power. It's basically a stapler that doesn't do what it's supposed to do. And like I said, I have seen people buy the one that looks just like this, and they've gotten them to work. One thing they said is perhaps the needle is too short. You can lengthen your needle, but I told you guys my screw was stripped, so I can't get it out. The other thing they said is you can turn the needle around. The needle has a flat side and it has like a little notch side. My little notch side is going forward and the flat side is going towards the back. I don't know what's how it's supposed to be, but that's the way mine is. I'll never know because I can't get the needle out. So, you know, beware. Like, you know, you buy at your own risk. It's $6, I mean. But yeah, I want you guys to know. I wanted to do this I try before you buy, so that, you know, because you see those products. You see those products and you're like, oh, you know, it has some bad reviews, but I wonder, like, I really wonder, you know, if it's that little gem. Because there are some definite products out there that are really cheap and they work. And this is not one of them. I'm really disappointed. I was hoping I could give you guys a, yay, buy this. But no, don't buy this. But that's just as good information. Save your $6. And if you guys want to see me review other products, there's a ton of other things that I've seen online for sewing, upcycling that I want to try. So I'll be your guinea pig. I'll try before you buy, and let me know in the comments what you want to see me try. If you enjoy no-sew projects or simple sewing projects, hand sewing projects, I have this top as well as 2 others linked right here, and I have a no-sew face mask tutorial for you, so definitely go check those out, as well as a whole host of other videos. If you do not want to miss the next episode in this series, definitely subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified of all videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.